Welcome to a journey back in time, to an era of unprecedented engineering and architectural marvels, the Roman Empire. As we traverse the corridors of history, we find ourselves in a civilization that was not just a beacon of power, but also a crucible of innovation and ingenuity. The Roman Empire, spanning 3 continents and lasting over 5 centuries, was a testament to the might of human ambition. From the sun-soaked landscapes of the Mediterranean to the foggy realms of Northern Europe, the Romans left an indelible mark, etching their legacy into the very fabric of the world. Yet, what truly set the Romans apart was their remarkable mastery over infrastructure. Now, when we think of infrastructure, we might picture highways, bridges, or skyscrapers. But for the Romans, infrastructure was much more than just a means to an end. It was a symbol of their prestige, a testament to their power, and a key to their survival and growth. Imagine a city without a source of clean water. How long could it thrive? How long before the lack of this vital resource took its toll? For the Romans, this was a challenge they could not ignore. In a world where the concept of public sanitation was still in its infancy, the Romans not only grasped the importance of a clean water supply, but they also had the audacity to engineer a solution on a scale never seen before. This solution was the Roman aqueduct, an infrastructure marvel that stands as a testament to the empire's ingenuity and ambition. These remarkable feats of engineering were more than just stone and mortar. They were lifelines carrying water from distant sources to the heart of Roman cities, supplying public baths, fountains, and private homes. This video will take you through the remarkable story of one such infrastructure marvel, the Roman aqueducts. So, sit back, relax, and let us transport you to a time when humans first began to bend the world to their will, in a way that would echo through the ages. The inception of aqueducts was a turning point in Roman civilization. In the bustling heart of the empire, the need for a reliable source of clean water was paramount. As Rome blossomed, so did the population, escalating the demand for water. The Romans, known for their ingenuity, sought to tackle this challenge head-on. Driven by necessity and ambition, they envisioned a system that could bring water to their cities from afar: the aqueduct. This wasn't just a matter of convenience. It was a public health initiative, a testament to the Romans' understanding of the link between clean water and the well-being of their citizens. Their solution was revolutionary. By harnessing the power of gravity, they were able to transport water over vast distances, conquering geographic hurdles along the way. This engineering marvel was a testament to the Romans' resourcefulness and their commitment to improving the lives of their people. The birth of aqueducts demonstrated the Romans' forward-thinking approach to urban planning and public health. The Romans were not just visionaries but also excellent engineers. They transformed the concept of infrastructure with their innovative designs and construction techniques, especially evident in their aqueducts. At the heart of these engineering marvels were arches. This simple yet ingenious structure offered stability and durability, allowing the Romans to build higher and longer than ever before, without the need for excessive support structures. The arches, often in a series, created a visually appealing pattern that became a signature of Roman architecture. However, the brilliance of the Roman engineers did not stop at aesthetic appeal. They also mastered the art of tunneling, enabling them to traverse challenging terrains such as hills and mountains. These tunnels were meticulously planned and executed, ensuring a steady, uninterrupted flow of water. The Romans also understood the power of gravity. They designed their aqueducts to have a slight gradient, just enough to allow the water to flow naturally from the source to the city. This gravity-fed system was not only efficient, but also required minimal maintenance, a testament to the Romans' foresight and planning. The construction techniques used by the Romans were equally remarkable. Concrete was a favored material, chosen for its strength and versatility. The Romans had perfected the art of making concrete, using a mixture of volcanic ash, lime, and water, which they poured into wooden molds to create the desired shapes and sizes. Precision was paramount in the construction of the aqueducts. The engineers had to calculate the gradient of the aqueduct precisely to ensure a steady flow of water. This required an in-depth understanding of mathematics and physics, further showcasing the Romans' advanced knowledge and skills. Moreover, the construction of these aqueducts was not a small feat. It involved meticulous planning, significant labor, and resources. Yet the Romans managed to overcome these challenges, delivering infrastructure projects that would stand the test of time. The design and construction of Roman aqueducts were truly ahead of their time. These remarkable engineering feats not only transformed the Roman Empire, but also left an indelible mark on the world, influencing modern construction and urban planning to this day. Among the many aqueducts constructed, some stand out for their historical significance and architectural brilliance. Let's start with Aqua Claudia. Initiated by Emperor Caligula in the year 41 and completed by Claudius 14 years later, Aqua Claudia was one of the longest of the Roman aqueducts. It's known for its clean, clear water, which was a luxury at the time. This aqueduct extended over 40 miles with more than 9 miles of it above ground, supported by grand arches. Next, let's turn to the Aqua Appia, the oldest Roman aqueduct, commissioned in the year 312 BC. Despite being largely underground, this aqueduct was an engineering marvel of its time, spanning over 11 miles. It was named after Appius Claudius Caecus, the Roman censor, who commissioned it. The Aqua Appia was instrumental in providing the burgeoning city of Rome with a fresh water supply, paving the way for the growth and prosperity that followed. And then there's the Pont du Gard, an aqueduct in southern France. This colossal structure is a testament to the Romans' mastery of building techniques. Constructed in the 1st century AD, the Pont du Gard is a 3-level aqueduct standing nearly 160 feet high. It's not just a symbol of Roman engineering but also an artistic masterpiece, with its perfectly proportioned arches creating an elegant silhouette against the sky. Each of these aqueducts had their own unique features and challenges. The engineers had to contend with varying terrains, sourcing materials, and maintaining the precise gradient necessary for water flow. Their success in overcoming these challenges is a testament to their ingenuity and skill. These aqueducts aren't just historical monuments but living testimonials to the engineering prowess of the Romans. Today, they continue to inspire engineers and architects around the world, reminding us of what humans can accomplish with knowledge, creativity, and a bit of determination. The Roman aqueducts didn't simply vanish with the fall of the empire. Instead, their legacy has woven itself into the fabric of modern society, influencing our infrastructure and urban planning in ways that are often overlooked. The Romans were master builders, and their understanding of engineering principles was far ahead of their time. These principles continue to form the bedrock of modern construction. The use of arches, for instance, is a Roman innovation that we see echoed in bridges, tunnels, and buildings around the world today. They understood that an arch could bear more weight than a flat surface, a principle that remains fundamental to structural engineering. Then there's the matter of the aqueducts themselves. These marvels of engineering were designed to transport water over vast distances, overcoming geographical challenges with a gravity-fed system. The same basic concept underpins our modern water supply systems. The Romans understood the importance of a reliable water supply to a thriving civilization, and we continue to benefit from their wisdom. The use of concrete in construction, too, has its roots in Roman engineering. They were the first to use a primitive form of this versatile material in the construction of their monumental aqueducts. Today, concrete is a ubiquitous part of our built environment, from skyscrapers to highways. Perhaps the most profound impact of Roman aqueducts is seen in our approach to urban planning. The Romans prioritized accessibility to clean water, designing their cities around the aqueducts. This concept of designing cities around essential services is a cornerstone of modern urban planning. The Roman aqueducts, like the Aqua Claudia and Aqua Appia, may no longer function as they once did, but their influence can be seen in the principles and techniques we use in construction and infrastructure development today. They are a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of what a civilization can achieve when it marries innovation with determination. The Roman aqueducts, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, continue to impact our world even today. The story of Roman aqueducts is indeed a fascinating one. It's a tale that takes us back to a time when a civilization, faced with challenges of terrain, resource scarcity, and labor, still managed to construct marvels of engineering. They did not just quench the thirst of their cities and settlements, but also fed their public baths, fountains, and private homes. The Romans' architectural brilliance is evident in their use of arches, tunnels, and gravity-fed systems. Notable aqueducts like Aqua Claudia and Aqua Appia stand testament to their ingenuity. Their precise gradient calculations and the use of concrete in construction were revolutionary for their time. The Roman aqueducts' legacy is far-reaching. Their influence on modern construction and urban planning is undeniable. The principles they established centuries ago still hold relevance. The Roman aqueducts, an engineering marvel of the ancient world, continue to inspire us, reminding us of what we can achieve with vision, ingenuity, and determination.